Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find your CPU and GPU brand and model on Windows 11, no extra software needed. Let's start with your CPU, that's your computer's brain. Right-click on the Start menu and choose Task Manager. Click on the Performance tab, then select CPU on the left. Here, you'll see the CPU brand and model right at the top. Mine is Intel i5. Next, let's check out your GPU, the graphics card responsible for visuals and gaming. Still in Task Manager, stay on the Performance tab and scroll down the left side to find GPU 0 and possibly GPU 1 if you have more than one. This section shows the GPU brand and model. If Task Manager doesn't work for you, here's another quick way. Open the Run dialog box and type the following, then press Enter. In the System Information window, check the processor entry on the right. That's your CPU model. Next, expand the Components tree and select Display on the left panel. The GPU name and model will be next to Name on the right panel, and that's it. Now you know exactly what CPU and GPU you're working with in Windows 11. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tech tips.